Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create an ebook in Canva. So first things first, create an account using your Google or your email address. And then after that, you can just basically go to create a design. And then here you can search for the ebook. Okay, so you will see here the format. So before creating ebook, it's very important to pick your ebook idea or digital product here on your Canva. So this time we will be creating ebook and it will be more on how to become successful or wealthy, something like that. And then as you can see in the second or part two or number two here, you can choose for the format. So basically for ebook, it says that A4 document is the correct format for that for ebook and printables. If you're looking for something for your other styles, then you can look for a presentation. So this time I'm going to select A4 document right here for our ebook and then tap on the A4 format. It will take you directly to the blank page here on your Canva. And as you can see, if you go to designs, there are tons of designs here for your ebook. So let's just say if you will be creating ebook for fitness, for health, for cook, for food, there are tons of designs right here. And all you have to do is to select and then you just have to change the information, change the image, the graphic, the element, and the title. However, for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step, and we will be starting from scratch. So as you can see here, there is this blank page right here. We won't be using from any of their design. We're going to use this blank page, and to start, of course, you need to look for that specific background color here in Canva. So you have to click this color icon right here, and then you can choose from solid colors or gradient color. Everything is up to you. You can choose it right here. So there are tons of colors that you can use for your background here on your or for your ebook. So I'm going to choose the color like this. Make sure that it will match or it will not, cover your text, like it should be something that is captivating or catchy. Okay. So, but anyways, you can change the background color later if you want. So let's just say I want to use this color right here. I'll just change this one later if it doesn't match or fit to my graphics or elements. So the next thing to do here is you have to look for that picture for your ebook. So you can search for that specific keyword, so you can choose from photos. There are tons of photos right here that you can choose for your ebook. But for this time, I will be picking from the graphics section and I'm going to choose from any of the graphic character right here. So, for example, I'm looking for a man character. Actually, you can delete the background. There is this background remover right here in which you can delete the background of that photo or that graphic. So, this is what it looks like. Now, as you can see, I think my background color doesn't match. So, I'm going to change the background color, not my character right here, but the background color. I'm going to change this one. So I'll go back to the colors and then change it. Maybe I will look in the gradient section, or everything is up to you. So here I'm going to look first for that specific background color. Once done, I can resize my character. And then after that, I can go to the text and then add the title of my ebook here. So I'm going to ask help from ChatGPT. Actually, you can create your own title, but let's just say I can go to ChatGPT or Google Gemini AI to ask for a title for my ebook. For example, this one, copy and then paste. Change the color, the font color. You can tap that one or this and then change the font style. Also, you can change the font color if you want. And again, you can add effects to your font right here. Tap on effects. You can look for outline, drop, everything is up to you. And then you can add subheading or you can add more information. Go back, copy this, go back to your Canva and then paste. Then you can resize or decrease the font size of this one. And this is what it looks like. Change again the font style, the font color. You can change or add effects to this. And also, aside from this one right here, you can add more elements if you want. So I know that you can do better than this, but this is just a step by step on how to create the font cover of your ebook. Okay, so you can change the font color. As you can see, I rather pick the yellow color, and then for effects, outline, and then intensity for thickness, and then increase the size. And this is what it looks like. So if you want to add more information, you can just copy the text or the text box, paste, and then go back to ChatGPT again or add the information that you want to add right here. You can add your name if you want, or what is this all about, like a brief introduction of your ebook. Okay, so you can add it right here and then change the font style, font color, everything is up to you. Okay, now that you have this, your font style, the font color, you have changed everything here. Then you can add more elements to your cover photo. So let's just say if you want to add like a bulb idea, like he is thinking, or let's just say tips, or you want to add a money element or objects, you can just go to elements and then search for that specific keyword or word that you want to add here. So basically, I'm going to type this, go to graphics, and as you can see, there are tons of elements, and all you have to do is drag this and place it to the correct position. For example, this one. And I'm going to add this one right here, like a money inside a jar. Place it right here. But actually, everything is up to you. I know that you can do better than this. And then for tips, for something like that, I'm going to add this right here. And you can add more if you want. So basically, just place it wherever you want, which you think that can make your cover photo attractive. Okay, so once you're done with that, or placing everything here, once you're okay with the result of your cover photo, then of course you can proceed with the adding content like the first chapter of your ebook. So to do that, what you're going to do here is you have to click this add page right here, and then you can change the background color if you want. Go to elements and then look for that specific object or element that you want to add, or you can go first to the text and then add chapter 1 right here, paste it above, change the font style, change the font color, and then after that go to elements, add the picture or the graphic right here. And then for more information, you can just copy and then paste the text box, and you can add the information of your chapter 1. And again, you can add more elements, you can add more objects, and just, do whatever it is, do whatever you want to do here on your page 2. So once you're done with everything, you can tap on the share and then click PDF to save your ebook. And you can sell this to other platform like Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or Facebook Marketplace, TikTok Shop. Everything is up to you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.